Alright guys, we just made it here to PQ now. What are they doing?
Hey, I'm ready.
Look at this big junior, bro. That shit's sick, bro. No, I'm good.
Why?
I don't know. I'm scared.
Sure.
Alright, well, back at Jay's point of view, we got Jay.
Bro.
What do you think happened?
Twisted. I'm gonna go fast.
Bro,
I'm trying not to use the back one too much because the tire's gonna fucking slip.
Bro?
Yeah, it's gonna slip a little.
How should I stop, homie? Just let him keep flush.
So how do I stop?
Better footage.
Go like front.
Just hit something.
I just hit something.
No way Nick doesn't know how to ride. Yeah, I do. Alright, now what?
I don't turn off.
What do you think happened?
I see you.
I never seen him ride. I never seen him ride.
That shit just not got a GTR.
He's already got a GTR. Why is it so don't think I'm going like 5 hours.
Yo, burn out, for the video.
It's just so hard, bro. What's up, boss? What's up, boss?
Go. That's it?
I got you.
Gonna get hit.
That shit was so funny. You see Chris burning out.
Yeah, you see that nigga. That guy's wildin', bro.
You're scared of. Yeah, I'm like, where's he
Have you been in a streetway before?
Like, we're still wild.
COVID. Bro, this guy's tripping.
Gonna do a burnout?
Bro, this shit's so hard, you guys, for real.
Bro, the boss is mad, bro. No.
What is this?
But we gotta watch it now before that shit gets stuck.
No, if you watch it, it'll be bad. You need the blower.
Oh, fuck. This is a badass burnout.
Bro, that's like straight rubber. That's just crazy.
You for sure got no more
I
time.
don't know what he stopped me. What's wrong with you guys?
Chris was just looking at you like. Oh, nice. So I kill this for video or? Like, let him get his content.
Chris Aroa. Brother? Oh my! Well, we just made it to a car meet, guys. There's a bunch of sick cars. Someone's already revving it, obviously. A little Volkswagen. Those things are loud. We got my GTR parked next to this other GTR. I don't know who this is, but clean. You guys remember this one? This thing is crazy. This is on that private cruise that we did the other night, not too long ago. My boy was beating 720s.
No way.
I swear. 2JZ?
I was about to ask you, what motor does it have? But then once you did that, I already knew.
2J.
Yeah, answer my question.
Yeah, that shit is sick. Look at the tire on the back. What's up? Like, you open the hood, guys. God damn. That's a fast bro. That's the 720 killer right there. Nah, he was really keeping up with 720s. And I'm trying to remember if I raced him. I don't think I did, but this thing is sick. I'd probably lose though. Here are all the exotics. What's a freaking Senna, bro? McLaren Senna. Bro, who brought a Senna here? That is sick. This 720 is crazy. Carbon fiber everywhere. Sheesh. Some more supercars. Red Huracan. I'm trying to go on a cruise with all you guys.
No, that'd be sick.
I'm kind of over Carmies, not gonna lie.
Low-key.
But cruises and like the drives, I think those are more fun to film and probably more fun to watch. But I feel like I film way too many car meets, huh?
Too many of these, brother.
But some people say they like it because they don't get to see car meets like this where they live. I'm not gonna lie, we do have like the craziest car meets here in California, I feel like. Besides Texas. Texas was pretty lit too, but I feel like nowhere else you're gonna see cars like this.
Yeah, that's true. It is true. But I feel like we see it so often that we're like over it.
I know. E92!
There's two of them.
No way. Where'd you park yours?
All the way out there. I should bring it closer on.
Yes, you should bring it. You should park it next to this guy. Look, E30 M3. You don't really see those often. All carbon fiber front end. I thought it was M3, but I just have the M3 hood. Still probably fast though. 335. Ooh. This is sick. That's clean. Sick ass food. Damn, G80? Everyone has G80s now.
You didn't even notice it, bro.
I know, it's all black. That's why I don't like my GTR black, because you can't really notice it. Like this. I didn't even know it was a G80.
I swear I didn't know until you saw him like turn on the light.
This color's sick, dude. Look at that. Oh, there's cops. Wonder if they're gonna shut it down.
Where are we gonna keep that?
Oh, that's RSO, brother.
For sure giving me a ticket, huh?
That's why I didn't want to come with me, low key, because we're in like RSO county, bro. They be getting state refs out like it's candied.
It's candy? Are you telling me I'm fucked?
Damn, E92 M3. All the BMWs. Look at it. Yas Marina. Well, there's so many BMWs here. This one's hard. The chrome T37s and the carbon hood. E46 with T's.
Bro, look at the rear.
Oh my god, this one's sick. You guys probably can't see the wheels, but TEs.
Fire.
Damn, that shit is so nice.
How many David used to lower his car like that, bro?
David does need to lower his car. Where's David's car at, brother?
We're not talking about David's car.
And an M4?
Everybody knows that I want one this color.
I know, this color's sick. Honestly, I would take it this color too. This or that red that I want. Look, he has clear taillights. I just seen that.
There's one red and one clear.
More G80s. Damn, this one has a carbon hood.
Hard. Black with the yellow headlights.
This was crazy. Well, you got the carbon hood, yellow headlights. You can't see it, it's so dark, but there's also a purple one. Like all three G80s. Pretty common now, bro. Everyone has them.
And I have like, say my car parked around here, it just makes it feel so outdated, bro.
I know.
Like way outdated.
These things are sick.
So expensive.
I want them to go to like
Right here.
60K.
It's literally almost like 300K right here.
Yeah, they're all 100K, but it's insane, huh? Another G80, guys. There has to be probably like over 10 G80s here. Everyone has one. I don't even understand. Why don't I have one yet, bro? Where are they approving everyone at? Bro, these two sound crazy. These Hellcats? Oh my god, bro. Is that a Pro Charger? I'm so confused. It has to be, right? Pro Charge SRT or something? Sounds crazy. Oh my god, bro. The cops are over there. Aventador? I feel like everyone's starting to leave because it's getting a little crazy, guys. There's a lot of cops here. Right now probably is the best time to leave before it gets even crazier. What's up, bro?
I'm watching videos.
Oh, thank you, bro. I appreciate that. That shit is sick. Oh, it's not a 720. Those are the 675 LTs, right? I don't know. I don't know my McLarens, bro. I'm gonna get roasted in the comments like always. Sheesh. I do know this is a Senna though, with no plates. My boy does not care. Bro, more cops are pulling up, guys. Oh my god. Dude, I hear helicopters pulling up, guys. Damn, wide body too. God damn, bro. Oh, the cops are right there. exhaust is literally red, bro. I'm gonna get out of here before I get pulled over. Cause there's cops everywhere. You go just left and he said there's cops at every single exit, so wish us luck, bro. This is the worst part. Leaving the car means and not getting pulled over. Back at 412, guys. What the? I'm here, bro. Stopped at 412, see what they're doing today. There's always sick cars here. DME?
What's up, man? How you doing? This is one of my daily drivers right now. I'm just, the bank's looking for it, so I have to park it inside the garage.
You're hiding it?
Hiding it, waiting till I get the money for the next payment. Just, yeah. But, close the door. Close the door.
The bank's gonna see it, bro.
The bank is it?
He said the bank's looking for it, so he parks it in here.
Stupid, dude.
She has the Senna seats in it, guys. This guy really spent a lot of money. My boy Gaze.
600 LT.
600 LT? I don't know my McLarens. I don't know what they are.
Exhaust comes in the rear.
That's sick. Show flames straight up in the air. We got a few cool cars. They got a Supra, Sam's E36, M4, Porsche. Shoe?
True, brother.
Oh my god. Sam be taking stuff apart and I don't know how he puts it back. I didn't even know this was possible. Bro, how light is this? Oh my god, literally nothing. The car's literally made out of plastic. I literally just come to 412, guys, just to film content. Because I know there's always cool stuff here. Look, some drift wheels, some HREs. These are worth a lot of money, I bet. This is sick. They have a tire machine now, guys. So if you have any tires swapped or anything, they can do it. Balancing, mounting. It's pretty sick. Their new shop's insane. I've showed it before in the past couple of vlogs, but you guys know their old shop. Like, this is a huge upgrade, and it's huge, bro. You can fit so many cars in here. They do wraps now. They do maintenance. They do drift cars. Like I said, they do tire stuff. And Sam's still doing his S52s. Pretty sure these are S52s right here. Same thing that's in my E46. I need to ship it over here, guys. I'm gonna try to tow it over here so Sam could finally put together my E46 again. Cause that car needs to come out. I'm tired of saying it in the vlogs. But look at all this. Sam does everything by hand. Wow, that's sick. I want to do this too. Oh my god, that shit actually pointy. Sam definitely got some damage from that Formula Drift day that he went to. Is this Sam driving it? I think Sam's driving the Supra, guys. I heard this thing shoots crazy flames and it's super loud. Supra. It's faster now. A little bit.
Slow.
I want to hear it, bro. A Supra is one of the cars that I want to get one day, guys. 100%. I want right-hand drive though, for sure. This one's sick too. It has a wing, some TEs on it. Super simple, clean. God damn, the turbo sounds sick. What do you guys think will win? Sam's E30 or the Supra? I think Sam's E30 will smoke it. That actually sounds like it's cutting. Look at the G80. Oh my god. That purple's nice. God damn.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.